Welcome to our dorm room. This is our lovely home where me and all of my friends live. Me, Toby Minnick, RHA Director of Communications and President of the Tabletop. Anyway, let's continue talking. As you can see, this is our door. This is our daily aphorism that we remind ourselves the importance of teeth. Next to it is Brandon Vetter,
Hello.
President of IEEE.
And also president of Games Devs United, and also a junior in computer engineering.
That's fantastic, Brandon. Thanks for sharing. Brandon was sitting in front of the sidewalk close sign that we acquired legally. Anyway, over here you can see our poster. Enough said. Here we can see two more of our daily aphorisms. Someday you get the bear, other days the bear gets you. Famously said by Theodore Roosevelt. And here, I love edging by Pasley. There's our fridge. We've got a bunch of stuff on it. It's pretty cool, I guess. It's our alcohol cabinet full of legal alcohols.
Is my Mozart thing here?
It
is! Yo!
And yeah, we can go to the bathroom now. We're doing a cool tour. That's Trent, by the way.
That's awesome.
He's the treasurer of IEEE. Donald's gone, man. He's out of here.
He gave you that?
He did. I mean, someone has to hold on to it. Here's the shower. Here's the bathroom. We've almost gone through our comically large amount of toilet paper, but we still have a little bit. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a good angle. Hell yeah. That's nice. Anything else you want to see on the room tour? Oh, we should go look into individual rooms.
My room's a fucking mess.
Here's Tiger's room. The door's just open. Here's Brandon's room. Oh, look at this clean room.
Yeah, I've gone
Oh, okay.
I've gone insane.
Why are you flying there?
Oh, yes, please.
Oh, yeah, you can edit And then over here is my room. That's my roommate, Ryder Pasley. And this is where I live. Look, it's a poster of me. Thanks for coming to our room tour. Bye.